You see, you know it's on me. You see, you know it. That's on me right there.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying.
Hey guys, it's your girl Simplychyna. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, today's going to be a transformation, also kind of like test of the Temptu airbrush foundation machine, but I'm also shouting out my girl Kehlani. She had dropped her new album, and basically I decided to kind of transform myself into it. Like, I was just so inspired by the album. Like, I really loved all the songs on the album, so that's why I kind of got my zoo going. And I'm gonna insert a picture here of the album so you guys can see what I'm working off of. She doesn't have much makeup going on. It's a very subtle look that she did, but I'm going to be reviewing these lashes that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to do a separate video showing you guys how you can purchase Amazon lashes and what vendors you should purchase from and all that kind of good stuff. But that's besides the point. That's besides the point. We're about to dive into the Kehlani transformation. You feel me? Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color chocolate. I'm going to take the same lotion that I use for my face, put a little bit on the back of my hand. The reason why I use this lotion, this is the reverse lotion. I have sensitive skin, so I try to use stuff that doesn't have like really fragrance or anything like that in it, just so that I don't break out. And I'm just going to kind of put it in there and mix it up. It allows the formula to break up and then makes it easier for doing your brows. So that's that. So we're gonna take the little, I guess, spoolie, and we're gonna brush up these hairs because Kehlani's brows are thick. They're very full, and I'm actually looking at the picture now to kind of make sure I get it right. They're thick and they're full, and they kind of fade out in the front, so we're gonna just make sure that we build most of our product on the outside of it. So watch this, and I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video so you guys can see what happens next. I don't have such thick brows like she does, so I'm actually kind of overlining my brows and making them as thick as I possibly can. And this is what you would do if you kind of have thinner brows or you don't have thick brows like she does. Okay, so now that that part is done, we're going to take the front part and we're going to kind of brush out the hairs in the front. And that's how you get this like blending look. And what you do is you bring some product to the front, bring a little bit of product to the front, and then just gonna keep on. We'll fix the shaping of the brows with the concealer, but y'all get the gist of it. And we're gonna keep brushing. We're gonna brush. This is going to fade that harsh line. You wanna see that? So to conceal my eyebrows, you guys already know I've been using the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. I really love the formula of this, and I'm just going to line underneath my brows. Now, because I haven't done my brows like in a minute, the way I'm applying this is strategically. on, like, I'm building more of the concealer at the tips because that's where I grow the most hair, where it's obvious that I need to get my brows done. So you're just going to kind of conceal the hairs as good as you possibly can. Obviously, if you really need to get your brows done, then obviously it's like you can't really conceal it that good, but you can work a little magic or two if it's not as bad, you know. And this is the thing, I normally don't even conceal the top part of my brows. It's only because it's that bad, like I need to get my brows done. And if you guys don't know, I got this mirror from Sephora. It was a gift. I got it with a gift around Christmas time. So if you guys want to get yourself a cute mirror, and this mirror is bomb, it has double sides, definitely go check out Sephora. Make sure you blend out your brow, like you blend out the concealer as much as you can, and it's not showing at all. You don't want it to show at all because I'm gonna be using the airbrush machine for the foundation, so you don't want it to show at all. Alrighty guys, so this is the Temptu Air. This is what I will be using for my face. If you guys want, I'll do a separate video. Just comment down below if you want to see like a full unboxing, but this is the charger that it comes with, and this is how it looks. So today I got they have like a sale going on, so I got the 3-pack where it comes with your foundation, highlighter, and a blush. So these are how they look, like that. And the foundation that I got is the Hydration Lock Airbrush Foundation, long lasting, semi-matte, and natural finish. So that's what I got in the color 15N, that's chestnut. So I'm gonna open her up. So the instructions on how to insert it comes, super cute manual. You have to shake this before you use it. We gotta remove the back part of this like that, and then shake well before opening plug. So I'm gonna keep shaking it. Basically, I'm gonna open this plug. Yeah, this is the plug. And we're gonna turn her on. This is her power button. I'm distancing myself from it because I don't want too much to come on, so the areas that I want more coverage in, I come a little bit closer. And I get the cheek areas. I'm slightly breaking out a little bit on my chin, so I'm trying not to put too much product there, but then I'm gonna let this kind of like dry a little bit. But y'all can already see I already got my first layer on. I don't need much more than that. Kehlani doesn't have like a crazy makeup look, like it's very minimal. So now that that part is done, I am going to conceal with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer because this is the closest one to give me the look I'm looking for. But I'm gonna have to probably detox from the makeup because I'm breaking out a bit. Okay. Once you do that, I also normally let this sit too, and then kind of let everything marinate with each other, and then I start blending. I'm gonna get back to blending this out. The thing is with these concealers, I notice nowadays, like you kind of have to move quick because for some reason, like, they dry pretty fast. Like, you know, like if you don't move quick, then sometimes it kind of dries up on your face, and then you can kind of see where the demarcation is, and then it's not good. So I'm gonna take my same foundation brush and I'm gonna blend out like the line, like where I'm seeing any like lines. Also, one more thing is, so like the harder you push on the Temptu, the more it comes up. And also, I didn't let it fully charge, so this actually really needs to get fully charged. Once it's fully, I would recommend obviously using this when it's fully charged. So I'm gonna do another video just fully on the Temptu Air, but that's kind of the hint for when you're using this if you want more coverage than what I'm giving you right now. But I feel like right now this is good. This is good enough. Like, it's covering all my imperfections that I need covered, and it's not giving me like drag all the way. So actually, before we set it, we're going to conceal again with my my Fenty concealer. This is the Pro Filter. It's in 360. And I just want to kind of get a little bit more brightening, like a little more brightening here. I recommend you do the same thing for the Fenty. I'm just gonna kind of create the contour that I want for my nose. We're gonna set. You guys know I love my Sacha Buttercup. We're gonna set with my Sacha Buttercup, and we're gonna let that kind of marinate, because her face is matte, completely matte. I want to say there's a little bit of dewiness going on, but for the most part it's matte as far as the skin, her skin. And you know, the dewiness that you guys are seeing from the photo is from like her highlight and stuff. This is the Artistry palette, Artistry Morphe palette. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use the browns that are here. So in this row, you see those browns? I'm gonna use that. And we're going to just build, because it seems like she has a little bit of brown underneath her eye as well. And I'm going to take a dark chocolate. We're gonna put that in here. Really blend this out, okay? So you see the effect on what that does versus this eye with the light. So you can see the difference. And the reason why I'm using the same brush, I don't want it to be too bright. I want it to kind of be not really dark, but I don't want it to be too bright because I don't want it to like I don't want to overtake the look with these bright colors. All right, so now that I got the lashes on, we're gonna work back on the face. So as you can see, there's still casts on my face. Ruby Kisses press on powder. This is the shade that I use for my skin. It's RMP13. It's honey brown. So I dip the same brush in there, tap it, and then I kind of just dust off any excess with that on the areas that are like I had any powder. And y'all already know I use the Kiss contour kit. That, or I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. But for this look, I'm gonna use this because Kehlani's look is more orange, like warm. So I'm gonna start off with this, and then I'm going to go back into that Morphe palette. I'm gonna just look at it one more time. I'm gonna take, yeah, like it's like a blushy look that she kind of got going on. So we're gonna start off by contouring with this, and then I'm gonna go in with like a nice little blushy color. I don't know what color I'm gonna use yet, but I think we're gonna go with this orange. And the reason why we're gonna go with the orange is because even though it looks like super bright orange, That's not how it's gonna look on my skin. It's gonna look blushy, kind of like how hers does. So you can already see, like, it doesn't look orange. So and that's just that on that. Yeah, so it's Simplychyna basic gloss. So I'm just gonna take my Carmex, put that on my lips first. I'm not even gonna line them because she has small lips like myself. And I'm gonna go over it with the Ulta Shimmer and Shine lip gloss. And just put that here to add some glitter to the lips. And then lastly, I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lash because I kind of forgot to do that earlier. I really love this mascara. I gotta get another one. And the reason why I like this mascara is because of the brush head. It's just really easy to apply. Yeah. Highlight looks pretty natural, so I'm just gonna go in with the one from the Kiss palette and just put a little bit, just a little bit. And this is the final look. So what y'all think? Y'all think this is it? Like, this is inspired by Kehlani's album cover, this whole look. I'm gonna put some setting spray by Morphe. So I'm gonna go get dressed and come back.
I heard that you a gangster, not one to try to say, savor. Always focus on your paper, don't got time.